If you want to find all Siri settings on your iPhone 17, then first of all, we're just gonna open settings. And then in here, we can find first settings by going to Apple Intelligence and Siri. And as you can see, we have some Siri request section. We also have some suggestions and so on and so forth. And here we can find some settings, of course, for Siri. You can also go to talk and type to Siri in order to, for example, toggle the side button for Siri. And some of these options may not be accessible until you actually enable Siri for the first time. So you have to keep that in mind. Now, in addition to that, we can find more options by going to accessibility. And if you scroll down, then you should be able to find Siri in here. And here we can find some additional settings that you may want to check out in order to adjust Siri. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.